Hotkey for switching between tabs/window panes on a Mac. For example, in the Keyboard Preferences window in System Preferences, Keyboard, there's two tabs, or at least the equivalent for Windows, called Keyboard and Keyboard Shortcuts. Is there a hotkey to switch between these two?
Here are a couple of shortcuts that may be helpful. Command plus tab equals switch between applications. Command plus tilde equals switch between windows of an application. Control plus tab equals move forward through tabs, in same window. Control plus shift plus tab equals move backward through tabs, in same window.
I finally found the answer. You have to hit Command plus number of desired tab. E.g. Command plus 1 takes you to the first tab, Command plus 2 the second, etc. etc.
My personal favorite is to hold Command plus Shift and then use to flip left through tabs and to flip right.
In Firefox on macOS, Control plus page up and Control plus page down to switch tabs, and page up can be simulated with FN plus up. Command plus 1 for first tab, etc. and Command plus 9 for last tab.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.